question si Beverly Domingo. Kap Beverly, sabi niya, paano ko magpataas ng CRS score since August 1 nasa express entry until na wala pang invitation to apply?
Pinakamabilis at pinakamadaling way para mapataas ang CRS score is mag-retake ng English exam. Alam ko na mahirap i-take or mahirap i-maintain yung or mahirap i-goal yung perfect score. Pero kung titignan mo yung mga ibang factor, yaan na yung pinakamabilis na paraan para tumaas yung CRS score.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yan. Alam naman natin na hindi ganun kadali na makumuha ng language test. Na experience ko yan personally, pero pag gusto, maraming paraan. Ika nga, di ba? So, preparation is the key, practice is the key for the language test. Thank you very much, Miss Mel. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success, and also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest, mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section, access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.